100 years ago, it all started with the motor. Makita was founded in 1915, offering sales and repair of electric motors. After years of testing and improving its technology, Makita began exporting electric motors in 1938. 1958 marked the release of the first Makita power tool, a portable electric planer. With its new focus as an electric power tool manufacturer, later that year, Makita released a portable groove cutter. In 1962, an electric circular saw and electric drill soon followed. In 1978, Makita released the first cordless drill with a removable battery that offered the power, speed, rapid charge time, and long tool life that professionals demanded. In 2004, Makita first developed brushless motor fastening tools for the defense and aerospace industries. In 2009, Makita extended this latest technology to contractors with the industry's first 18-volt brushless motor impact driver. These attributes would become the hallmark of Makita cordless tools. Fast forward to the future, Makita has expanded to over 50 subsidiaries in 40 countries with a global network of 10 manufacturing and assembly plants, including a location in Buford, Georgia. Today, contractors demand tools that help them solve problems and make them more efficient. Makita meets this demand with tools that give contractors more power, speed, and runtime with faster battery charge time, superior ergonomics, and lower noise and vibration.
It's just, it's a lot less vibrating than what I've used before. Easy to use, drills a lot better, quicker, really light. I like the new look and feel, just works well overall.
I've been using the Makita polisher for many years. The new one's out. I really like the new one. The new easy handle, you can use it, it's very versatile.
Compared to other plug-in style grinders, the cordless grinder, it matches power and torque, and it gives you the freedom to pretty much go anywhere on the job site and have the same reliability, power and torque that plug-in grinders have. This is by far the best grinder I have used thus far in the 18 years that I've been doing this type of stuff.
The construction world is changing. For Makita, the answer is no limits, with innovation that helps pro contractors be more productive. After 100 years, Makita is dedicated to maintaining its strong customer focus and will continue to fortify its position as the innovation leader in power tools. Happy anniversary, Makita! Let's strive for another 100 years of continued success.